Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of ceiling speakers to find the best ones that 2023 has to offer. We've got an exciting lineup, so let's get started. Pyle PDIC68FG. Firstly, let's delve deeper into the Pyle PDIC68FG ceiling speakers. These speakers have garnered significant attention in the market due to their exceptional performance. Installation is a breeze, making them suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Their sleek, unobtrusive design seamlessly complements any room decor. Notably, these speakers excel in delivering a superior audio experience. With a focus on crystal-clear sound quality, you'll appreciate the subtleties in your music, movies, or presentations. The Pyle speakers incorporate advanced components, resulting in a wide frequency response that ensures robust bass and crisp highs. Whether you're setting up a home theater, creating an immersive audio environment in a commercial space, or aiming to elevate the ambiance of your home, these speakers won't disappoint. Moreover, these speakers boast impressive durability, thanks to their high-quality construction. They're engineered to last, providing long-term reliability and consistent performance. Their wide dispersion design ensures that sound fills the room evenly, guaranteeing everyone enjoys the same immersive audio experience. Herdio. Next, let's take a closer look at the Herdio 6.5-inch 640-watt ceiling speakers. These speakers have gained recognition for their impressive specifications and versatility, making them a solid choice for various settings, including offices, kitchens, living rooms, and bathrooms. In this segment, we'll explore what makes these speakers stand out. One notable feature of the Herdio speakers is their powerful performance. With a combined power output of 640 watts, these speakers can fill your space with rich, immersive sound. Installation is a breeze thanks to their flush mount design. This means they seamlessly integrate into your ceiling, providing a clean and unobtrusive look that won't disrupt your room's aesthetics. The two-way speaker system ensures a well-balanced audio experience with clear mids, distinct highs, and robust bass. Also, these Herdio speakers are built to withstand the challenges of various environments. Whether you're installing them in a kitchen where they might encounter moisture, or in a busy office where they'll see constant use, these speakers are designed for durability and longevity. If you're in the market for versatile, powerful ceiling speakers that can enhance the audio experience in your home or workplace, the Herdio 6.5-inch 640 watts ceiling speakers are certainly worth considering. Polk Audio VT60. Now, let's turn our attention to the Polk Audio VT60 ceiling speakers. Polk Audio has a well-deserved reputation for producing high-quality audio products, and the VT60 is no exception. These speakers bring a blend of performance, craftsmanship, and style to the table. With Polk's decades of expertise in speaker design, you can expect a truly immersive sound experience. These speakers deliver clear, detailed audio with a focus on accuracy, making them an excellent choice for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. These VT60 speakers are designed to fit seamlessly into your living space. Their elegant and unobtrusive design ensures they blend effortlessly into any room's decor. Whether you want to install them in your living room, bedroom, or home theater, they'll enhance the ambiance without drawing unnecessary attention. And speaking of which, installation is straightforward, and Polk Audio provides clear instructions to make the process hassle-free. Once installed, you'll appreciate the wide dispersion pattern that ensures uniform sound distribution across the room, allowing everyone to enjoy the same audio experience. Next up, we have the Acoustic Audio by Goldwood CS-IC83 ceiling speakers. These speakers offer an excellent balance between performance, affordability, and versatility, making them a strong contender for various audio setups. One of the key features of the acoustic speakers is their impressive audio quality. With a focus on delivering clear and dynamic sound, these speakers are designed to enhance your listening experience. These speakers are well suited for various applications. Whether you're setting up a home theater system, distributing background music throughout your home, or creating an audio zone in a commercial space, the acoustic speakers are up to the task. Their wide dispersion design ensures that sound reaches every corner of the room, providing an immersive audio experience for everyone. Durability is another important aspect of these speakers. Built using quality materials, they are engineered to withstand long-term use, ensuring that you get reliable performance over time. If you're looking for budget-friendly ceiling speakers that deliver a solid audio experience without breaking the bank, the Acoustic Audio by Goldwood CS-IC83 is definitely worth considering. Now, let's shift our focus to the Algo 8188 PoE SIP ceiling speaker. This speaker stands out for its unique integration capabilities and suitability for modern communication setups. The Algo speaker's interoperability with Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) systems is one of its standout characteristics. These speakers are intended to connect effortlessly to your VoIP network, making them an invaluable addition to office environments, schools, or any other place where effective communication is critical. This connection enables you to effortlessly handle broadcast announcements, paging, and even background music over your current VoIP infrastructure. These speakers also provide excellent and understandable audio in addition to VoIP compatibility. Plus, these Algo guarantees that your message is heard loud and clear, whether you're delivering crucial announcements or playing background music. So if you're looking for ceiling speakers that work flawlessly with your VoIP system, the Algo 8188 PoE SIP is a great option. Our final entry is the STUDIOFINIX ceiling speaker. These speakers bring a combination of power, versatility, and style, making them suitable for various settings, from residential spaces to commercial environments like cafes, stores, and exhibition centers. With 150 watts each, these speakers can deliver robust audio, making them ideal for areas where you need sound to carry effectively. These two-way speaker system also guarantees a well-balanced audio experience with clear highs and mids, as well as satisfying bass. This makes them versatile for various audio applications, from music playback to clear voice communication. Plus, durability is also a strong suit of the STUDIOFINIX ceiling speakers. They are built to withstand the demands of commercial environments, ensuring that they provide reliable performance over time. Whether you need to enhance the audio experience in your home or create an immersive sound environment in a commercial space, the STUDIOFINIX ceiling speaker is a compelling option. Well, there you have it, folks. These are some of the best ceiling speakers that 2023 has to offer. We've covered a wide range of options, from budget-friendly to high-end, so there's something for everyone. Don't forget to hit those links in the description to learn more about each speaker and make an informed decision.